Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Manychat to Chatgpt. To get started, open the OpenAI platform homepage in your browser. This is where you'll create the API key needed for the connection. Once the page loads, look for the API key section and click into it. This area is used to manage the keys that allow other platforms, like Manychat, to securely communicate with Chatgpt. On the API keys page, click Create New Secret Key. When prompted, enter a simple name for the key. The name is just for your own reference, so you can choose something clear and recognizable, such as a label related to this Manychat connection. After that, create the key and copy it right away. This part is important because secret keys are sensitive and usually shown only once. Make sure you store it somewhere secure and avoid sharing it or exposing it on screen longer than necessary. Now that you have the API key copied, switch over to your Manychat account. From the Manychat dashboard, go to Settings. Once you're inside the Settings area, scroll down until you find the section related to integrations. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a bit more to locate it clearly. Click on Integrations to open the available connection options. After that, scroll down again and look for the Chatgpt integration. Take your time here, since the integrations list may include several different tools and services. When you find the Chatgpt section, click into the field where you can paste the API key. Paste the key you copied from the OpenAI platform carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces before or after it. A clean paste helps avoid connection errors. Once the key is in place, click Connect. Manychat will then attempt to verify the key and establish the integration with Chatgpt. If everything was entered correctly, the connection should complete successfully. As a quick tip, if the connection doesn't work on the first try, double-check that you copied the full key and pasted it exactly as provided. Also confirm that you created the key in the correct OpenAI account. And that's it. You've now connected Manychat to Chatgpt, which allows you to move forward with building AI-powered conversations inside your Manychat workflows.